In this tutorial, I will show you type on a path tool in Adobe Illustrator. So let's jump into this. So I have already created a primitive circle here, and you can access type on a path tool from here. Just right clicking, and this is type on a path tool. Okay, so type on a path tool, enter type that follows the shape of a path. Actually, this is the type tool that typed and that follows the path. So you can see that this type of cursor when you access this tool. So I am just when the path will be shown, that is path, then I am click here, and you can see the text has been typed following the path. I am double clicking here. I do not take all the text. I am deleting here. So I am now accessing selection tool. You can see, you can set the in point and front point, starting point. You can see this is the starting point. You can drag it. Okay, you can drag it so the text will be fixed to the other side. This is the middle point. You can see, you can see, if you click and drag in the inner part, you can see the text will be appeared in the lower side. Okay, the text will be appeared in the lower part of the. In this way, you can easily decorate your text for the logo. You can use in the logo or other where necessary. Okay, and you can, if you select direct selection tool, you can even edit the path, and the text will be automatically adjusted with the path. Okay, here I am selecting the text, and I am hold on the middle of the middle portion, and I am placing it, and see that. Also, you can selecting here, you can click type and type on a path tool and type on a path options. You can find some options here such as effect. You can first of see flip. If you flip it, see the preview, the text will be appeared in the from the lower part. Just mirror effect will be shown. I am off. I am turned off this flip. You can see rainbow. This is the skew. The text will be effect as skew. That is 3D ribbon, step, and gravity. Okay. So most of the time we use actually rainbow. Align to path. This is ascender. Ascender means it's appeared from the lower part of the path. Descender upper side of the path, and center. It is sometimes very important because it's appeared in the center, and baseline also baseline. Okay, so you can check these options also. Okay, and you can easily use from the properties panel. You can easily adjust the text, font size, font, regular, paragraph also from the here. So that was for this tutorial. If you learned something from this tutorial, you hope, please subscribe my channel. Keep editing.